Hey everyone, here's how I went from this to this. Jeepers Creepers. So I've done Jeepers Creepers the last, I think, 4 Halloweens. I think this is my 4th time doing him. Anyways, I am starting with the body painting. I feel like every Jeepers Creepers, he looks different. So I don't know which one I referenced, but whichever one I referenced, I'm doing like a dark gray trench coat looking ensemble with like a red t-shirt. So I'm starting off with body painting, my water activated paints by Mayron, starting with the gray, and then I am moving on to the red, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start shading. I'm just primarily using dark grays and blacks to do the shading, so I'm like shading around the little collar, the little whatever you want to call that part. So technical, my terms, I know. And again, just going around, this can get tedious at times. Like, it can be time consuming to do this depending on how detailed you want to make it, but again, I just use eyeshadow to do that, and it works really well over the water activated paints. So now I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna lick the glue stick, and I'm gonna tell you why. When you lick the glue stick, it provides like extra tackiness to the glue and just makes it go on really smoothly to the brow hair. So that's why I do it. And now I'm gonna start with the like brow bone portion of his face. I'm taking liquid latex and I'm taking Crayola Model Magic to do this. And now I'm taking just like a clay tool and making some designs in the clay. And now I'm starting with his cheekbones. Same thing, liquid latex. And then I took the Model Magic with my fingers and just started molding it. This took so long. Now I'm gonna put on a ball cap. I do have my hair gelled down and I have Vaseline around the edges of my hairline, so when I do take this off, it doesn't completely rip all my hairs out. And I reuse bald caps, so if you're like, why is that so dirty? I reuse bald caps, so that's why. And now we're starting the nose. The nose was also very, very difficult because obviously your nose moves as you're trying to like mold it on your face. So it can be frustrating. And again, back with that same tool, that clay tool that I use. And then I don't know what like the little flaps are around the nose, but I did that. Now I'm doing his ears. His ears are kind of like pointed. Again, taking that tool. I love this tool when I'm trying to work with the Model Magic. It's a really handy dandy tool. Now I'm going in with latex basically all over the place, and I'm going to start to take tissue paper and go everywhere. My whole face is going to be tissue papered here shortly. So what this does is it gives you like a nice texture, like a nice textured skin, but it also kind of helps to like marry all of those little separate Crayola Model Magic pieces together. Now I'm going to start to paint my face. And for this, I am using water activated paints. That worked pretty well for this. I'm taking, like, I tried to take 2 different shades of gray. Now I'm going in and again with eyeshadow and basically just going all over the place, and that's it. I did add a little hair in the back. I don't know if you can tell. Also, I had a hat, but the hat was too small and it didn't look right. Plus, I didn't want to cover up like the claws on the top of the head, so that's why there was no hat. There was a lot of complaints about the lack of the hat and the lack of the hair, but the hair is there. You just can't really see it because of my background lighting. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you love Jeepers Creepers, if you hate Jeepers Creepers. Oh, also I chose gray contacts instead of the green or yellow that I normally use. Goodbye.